I'm Hearn Johnson. This is the project which I developed for the Eskom Expo, which I participated in 2011, and it took me all the way to the Intel ICEF, which is an international science fair. So I developed a low-cost prosthetic hand, which is basically a project which I hope to use as a prosthetic in the future. It's still a prototype at the moment because there are a few little glitches and I still want to improve on the controls. But it's very functional and the dexterity is very impressive. You can do many fine motor skills like holding a pencil grip or carrying heavy objects, etc. The hand is actually basically built out of components from hardware stores, fishing tackle, and the most complex actually come from a hobby store. It's just hobby servos and the batteries. Well, what's really innovative is the way the fingers move. It's very close to that of a human hand. It has 3 tendons on each side, just like a normal hand would, which gives it a more natural movements. It can abduct and adduct, it has a wrist, an opposable thumb, which is also very unique. The controls I'm still developing at the moment. The circuits are actually designed by somebody else for me, because in matric it was a little bit complicated. So basically how the pulse width modulator works is by varying the resistance, you actually changing the times that it pulses. So basically what it does is the servo has a microchip in it that will detect that, and then it tells the servo to move to a different position. So layman's terms, as you move the sliding potentiometer, it moves the servo's position. I hope to see the controls really improve. I'd like to make them so that you don't actually have to consciously use another hand to do it, so that you could actually do bilateral hand tasks simultaneously. And I'd also like to see it unscrew a bolt, which is a very complicated task, because it combines a lot of flexion and it combines a lot of movements of the fingers, which is really hard to get and incorporate into a design.